Hi, this is Gopi Krishna, Ur16Cs075, and this is C Lab Experiment number 4, the use of functions. Now the first program that I will be demonstrating is to count the number of odd and even numbers given between two limits. Now we'll be starting the program using the basic lines hash include IOStream using namespace std. Now we create a function void check and we pass two variables to it, int a and int b. Now we initialize two integer variables e and f, and we start the values as e is equal to 0 and f is equal to 0. Now we use a for loop for int I is equal to a, I less than b, I plus plus. Here a and b are the lower and upper limits of the given limits respectively. Now we use if condition to check whether the number is odd or even. Now if I mod 2 is equal to 0, we increment e, that is e plus plus, because we know that an even number divided by 2 always gives the remainder as 0. Now if it is not 0, that means the number is odd, and the other number f plus plus is incremented. Now we get the cout statement. Cout even is equal to e and cout odd is equal to f, since e and f are getting incremented for respective even and odd numbers. Now we open up the main function int main. We initialize two variables int x and y. We give out the cout statement, enter the range here, where we give the lower and upper bound and according to x and y respectively. Then we call the function check xy. Now let's run this code. Enter the range here. Let's suppose we enter the number 10 to 100. Now the even number is equal to 45 and odd number is equal to 45. Since the total number of digits between 10 and 100 is 90, it has equal even and odd numbers. Therefore even is 45, odd is 45. Thus the program runs successfully. Now the second program that I will be demonstrating is to find the factorial of a given number using function. We start the program with the basic lines hash include IOStream using namespace std. Then we create a function int factorial where we pass an integer x. I have initialized an integer variable f and its value is given as 1, f is equal to 1. Now we use a while loop while x is greater than 0. Now x is a number that we take from the user. Now when x is greater than 0, f is equal to f star x. The initial value of f is equal to 1. Every time this happens, x is decremented by 1. Therefore x is equal to x minus 1. This loop is executed as long as x is greater than 0. Now we open up the main function int main. We initialize two variables, integer variables int fact and k. We give out the cout statement, enter a number to get the input from the user. We store it in the variable fact. Now we use the variable k to store the function call. The cout, the factorial of fact, that is where we take the user number from the user, is equal to k, which is the function call. Now let's run the program. Enter a number. Let's enter 5. The factorial of 5 is 120. Let's check for another input. Enter a number 25. The factorial of 25 is the given number respectively. Hence our program runs successfully, and we have used the functions to find the following programs. Thank you.